If you're ever sick, don't cough on anybody. The germs will transfer from their mouth onto your skin. It's really important that you take zinc. If you have a high fever, ibuprofen. Do you have a headache? Should I hit you with this?
I beat up little kids.
The other thing that's really important, water. You need to drink a waterfall of water, and it's really important to put citrus with your water. You could do a lemon, you could do an orange, you could do a lime. But if you add citrus, it really, really helps clean out all of the bad bugs and the bad juju you might get when you're sick.